Are you looking to get unique values in your Excel file either by... Are you looking to get unique values? Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Robert Shane, and I teach various software applications. Right now I'm focused on Excel, but in future videos I plan to do Blender, Maya, Photoshop, InDesign, and the like. So if that's something you're interested in, please let me know by leaving a comment or liking this video. Thank you. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. I've set up some dummy data we can work with. I got my name and a made up salary. I got my fiance's name and her made up salary. And as you can see, it's repeated a few times in the table. And what we want to do is remove them, all the duplicates, and only leave one left. So the final table should look something like this, right? So there's two ways of doing this. You can either remove them entirely and just have it like this, or we can hide them just so we can see it temporarily, and I'll show you how to do that. So if we want to remove them, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Data, and you're going to go Remove Duplicates. And actually, before you do that, make sure you click on a cell within the table. Like, don't be over here, because that's just going to make your life more complicated. Excel likes to help you out when it can. So if you click here, and then go to Data, under Data Tools, you'll find Remove Duplicates. Click on that, and you notice because we had clicked inside of there before, it automatically assumes that that's what we're talking about. So it goes ahead and selects all that for us. And most of this is going to be set up how you want it. If you're trying to remove, say for example, if you want to remove duplicates of just one column, then you would do it like that. But if you want to do, maybe first and last name, you could do that, or everything all together, and then you would check all the columns. This is going to find unique records for all the columns. So we click OK, and it found 6 duplicates and 2 unique values remain. Now that might be what you want. Then again, it might not be. So if you want to know how to just hide them temporarily for whatever you might be working on, who knows. I'm going to again click on one of the cells, and then I'm going to go to Advanced this time. It's under Data, Sort and Filter, and we're going to click Advanced. Now, if you clicked on one of the cells to begin with, it's going to fill out a bunch of this stuff for you automatically. And the only thing we're concerned about is unique records only. Once we check that and click OK, now it looks the same as when we remove duplicates, but if you notice, the rows go 1, 2, 3, and then it jumps to 10, and that's because they're actually in there. They're just hidden. And if you want to undo this, I recommend you hit clear instead of undo, because you might do some stuff later, and then you want to get that data back. You can just hit clear. And that's really all there is to it. I know people have questions about this type of stuff, so I like to put these videos together for y'all. And with that out of the way, thank you. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'm actually making this video because another video that I made like 2 years ago is slowly gaining in popularity, and I'm starting to get comments and like, oh, thank you, appreciate it, and stuff like that is really motivating. So if you want to leave me something like that, I'd really appreciate it. It lets me know that I'm not just talking to a camera in an empty room by myself. I'm actually making an impact on the world, and that's what I like to do. Peace.